Hi everybody, welcome to the House of Jane, a channel that's affectionately named after my cat. My name is Lisa. I do all sorts of unboxings. I like to do unboxings on crafts, sewing, quilting, beauty, makeup, housewares, you name it. And recently I've started to do some vlogging. So today I am unboxing the December 2020 Sew Sampler box, which is a monthly sewing subscription for quilters. You don't have to be an advanced quilter. You can be a beginner quilter just learning, and these boxes are perfect. So let's get started. The reason why I am doing the December box in January is because they had some problems getting in some of the items in on time, so this box was delayed for all the subscribers. So I just got this in the mail and I am excited. I just cut the tape and let's see what we got. So where is the card? Here it is. You won't believe this, but I was doing a video. I probably had gotten like 7 minutes into the video and my camera went blank. It was because it wasn't filming. So I have to do it all over again. I got through half of the items, so this is kind of a repeat video for me. A little bit of frustrating, but you know, things happen. This is the theme. It's called Winter Flea Market. And on the back of this card, if you remember, there is a code for free shipping. So that's a valuable code. Let's get into the first item. It is a magnetic needle case. So like I said, I had already started this video and I tested it. So my needles are actually still inside. It looks like a makeup palette, but it's not. It snaps closed. Mine says stay sharp. And this is unusual. I don't have anything like this. This would be perfect when you're traveling. Love it, love it, love it. And it retails, I think it retails for $8.98. I'm gonna round everything up, so let's say, yeah, $8.98, $9. Great deal. Then they gave us 2 spools of 50 weight Orifil thread. Great colors. I love Orifil, it's a quality thread. And those 2 items are 10 bucks. Here is the fabric. It is Flea Market by Lori Holt, Be My Bonnet, Riley Blake Designs. This is a 10-inch layer cake, and there are, let's double check, it's a 10-inch stacker, and I'm trying to figure out how many. I think there are 21 different pieces of fabric, so this is a great value. It's almost $19, $18.98. There are so many possibilities to make really quick quilts with layer cakes. I'm not going to take mine out of the packaging, but I can tell you that it's floral design. I will give a link below, and if my video skills allow me, I will put a picture here of all the different patterns in the layer cake. Very nice. Then we got a quilt block for foundation papers, and this must correspond to the quilt. I have to tell you, I'm not crazy about this, and this is probably something I will never use. But I am willing to look at a video and see how it works. It's just, I just don't really like the block. But that's me. I'm not, you know, knocking it as a product that someone might want to buy. That value is $8, and it does go with the project, which is a table runner. So it's cute. I just not crazy about the pattern. And again, that's just personal taste. I don't expect to like everything I receive in the box. So if you do this table runner, the finished size looks like 18.5 by 42.5. And then to finish the project, you would need a 1/2 yard of background fabric and a 1/2 yard of binding. If you could use, you can use theirs and order their kit, or I'm sure a lot of people, if they want to make this, have, this quantity in their stash, or you can just buy it wherever you want to buy it. So that's the pattern. Not crazy about it. They value the pattern at $9.98, which is to me a little high, but it is printed on nice paper, and the graphics and the colors are nice, and it's sturdy. So okay. And then if you're following the monthly greatest hits pattern, this is what it's going to look like for this month. And I have not been following this, but some of these cards have really nice blocks that you can use for whatever you want. And that is worth $4.98. So that is the December box. The only two things I really don't like is the pattern and this. But other than that, I really like this fabric. And I have a project in mind that takes 10-inch squares, and if I can find it, I will link it down below. Also, it's a YouTube video I watched. I don't even remember the channel, but she showed how to make a very easy beginner quilt with 10-inch squares. So I will look in my history and see if I can find that video and whose channel it's on, and I will link it down below, because this would be perfect for it. So let me know your thoughts of the box, if you liked it, if you were disappointed in it. A monthly subscription box, you don't know what you're gonna get. You're surprised every month, which is, the nice part of getting a subscription box. And I really do appreciate, people putting together these boxes and curating them and thinking about the theme, because I realize there's a lot of work that goes into making any of these boxes. And you also get a lot of nice notions, like I didn't even know about this one. This is really cute. And I like this because, I can just see me in an airplane. Can't really take a pin cushion. I suppose you can take a mini one, but this one, look at that. It's staying. And these, I use all sorts of things. So I like that. Let's even try, I have a sewing needle. Look at that. So that is, I like it a lot. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red subscribe button. Show me some love. To subscribe is free to my channel, and it really, it means a lot to me, to know that, you like my content or you want to see more of it. So hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. I answer every comment, every single comment. I like to talk with everybody. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.